In every classroom, a teacher gives their best to explain the lesson clearly, but every student learns in a different way. One classroom pace cannot support everyone equally. That's why we created Dhimant. Meet a student who is preparing for his exams. He attends the lesson in school, but later he realizes he is not fully confident about one topic. Instead of feeling stuck, he opens Dhimant. The first thing he sees is a gap finder. Gap finder analyzes his understanding and quickly identifies a weak area he didn't even notice before. It then shows a simple summary of where he needs to focus. Based on this, Dhimant automatically creates a personalized study plan. He starts learning the topic using teacher mode. Here, Dhimant acts like a personal tutor, explaining the concept clearly with voice guidance and an interactive whiteboard, just like a real teacher.
I saw your recent Viva notes. You're actually doing great with the basic dehydration steps. Look at the diagram on the screen. This is 3-methyl-2-butanol. When it loses water, it forms a secondary carbocation at carbon 2. Right next door at carbon 3, there's a hydrogen and a methyl group. If one of them shifts over to carbon 2, that positive charge moves to carbon 3. If the charge moves to carbon 3, what kind of carbocation would it become, primary, secondary, or tertiary?
Tertiary.
Exactly. It becomes a tertiary carbocation.
If he wants to understand the concept more visually, he switches to co-watch mode, where Dhimant watches the lesson video with him and helps him focus on the important parts.
Alcohols are organic molecules that contain one or more hydroxyl groups attached to a carbon atom or atoms as shown in the illustration.
While learning, questions naturally arise.
Can you tell me what sp2 hybridized means?
Think of hybridization as mixing different types of atomic orbitals to create new, identical ones.
Whenever he has a doubt, he opens doubt mode, where Dhimant patiently answers his questions and clears his confusion step by step.
Can you please explain to me aldol condensation of acetaldehyde?
Revent, in aldol condensation of acetaldehyde, two acetaldehyde molecules join in dilute base to first give a beta-hydroxyaldehyde called aldol, which is 3-hydroxybutanol.
After resolving his doubts, he takes the gap finder test again. This time, he answers everything correctly. The gap is now completely closed. But learning doesn't stop there. To truly master the topic, he chooses Feynman Mode and starts explaining the concept himself, just like a teacher.
Revant, I'm your student now. Teach me dehydration of alcohols to alkenes from scratch.
Now consider a primary alcohol, say ethanol, reacting with an acid catalyzed reagent like H2SO4. You will first get a protonated alcohol in place of the alcohol. The protonated alcohol will then leave the primary body and the carbon to which it was attached to will get a primary charge. The secondary carbon or the alpha carbon in ethanol, CH3, will lose a proton and will gain a negative charge. The negative and positive will combine to make a double bond to alkenes.
So you are saying, first alcohol gets protonated, then water leaves and we get a positively charged carbon, and at the same time, the adjacent carbon loses a hydrogen, so a double bond forms.
Then he challenges himself further by entering debate mode, where he discusses and defends the concept with Dhimant.
Do you want to argue for the claim or against it?
I would like to argue against the claim.
Round 1 opening. Give your main argument why tribromination does not require making phenoxide first. What is your best point?
I think that for tribromination, phenoxide ion is not required.
Now he feels fully confident. To strengthen his preparation, he practices questions from previous year papers using practice mode.
That's not quite right. Let's work through this together. Check the whiteboard. We added 5 to both sides to isolate the term with x. What do you think is the best next step to get closer to finding x? You are on the right track by dividing by 3, but check the math again. What is 21 divided by 3? That is correct. You fixed the division and got x equals 3. Great job working through those steps.
And finally, before the exam, he quickly revises everything using flashcards created by Dhimant. From identifying learning gaps to understanding, practicing, explaining and revising. Dhimant supports every step of the learning journey because every student deserves a learning experience that adapts to them. This is Dhimant, your personal AI learning partner.